Here is lesson 3 for saxophone. We will play number 15 and we will talk about tonguing. Okay? What is tonguing? Tonguing is using your tongue to hit the reed to change notes. Okay? What do I mean by that? Take a look at number 15. Up until this point, the only way that you know to separate notes is to stop blowing air. But you hear there's a lot of space in between. There's a lot of just kind of weird sounds that happen. But if you tongue, you can push your air steady, and then you can just separate the notes. So the air never stops. There's just a very, very small space between notes. So how do we do that? When you tongue, nothing changes with your embouchure, your fingers, air, nothing changes except your tongue moves. Okay? Your tongue should be hitting right here on the reed. Okay, right where my nail is. Okay? We don't hit directly on the tip, but the tip of your tongue will say one taste bud will hit that reed. Because if you use too much tongue, that was kind of weird, wasn't it? Yeah, because I used so much tongue that the note started before all of my tongue came off the reed. But if you use the tip of your tongue and just tap that reed very lightly, very quickly, it gets a nice clear tone. Okay? The syllable that we use is ta. We'll be using that a lot during class. Every time you tongue a note, you use ta. So for those 4 B quarter notes, ta, 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 and that's our B. Okay? Let us play number 15. We know quarter notes because we reviewed those in class, okay? But we get 1 per beat. So when we've been counting to 4 for all of our measures, all of our music we've played so far, that's our quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 quarter notes. And then that quarter rest, same thing. 4 quarter rests, 4 beats of rest. All right, here we go. Number 15. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, keep the air going fast. 1, 2, 3. Now, did your note sound like mine? Was it harder or was it easier? Okay? Did it sound clear? Did it sound muffled? Okay? A couple reminders. Tip of the tongue, only 1 taste bud hits, just barely taps that reed. Okay? Also, when you're playing your quarter notes, I want you to imagine blowing a whole note. So for instance, when I'm playing those 4 Bs, my body is doing this. I'm blowing a full sounding whole note. Okay? My tongue is just hitting the reed. That's the only thing that changes is your tongue. Okay? This was, code word. There is no code word for lesson 3. So in your blank, you will write no code. Thank you.